Yeah, okay, guys. So, it's kind of frantic right now. You guys probably don't know what's going on, but my cat and another cat are fighting. Oh my God, fighting. Oh, staring at each other. Do you see them? Oh my gosh. Okay. They're frozen. Hey! Oh no. It's not a good sign. They're just staring at each other. What?
Where's my cat?
Right down here, and they're just staring at each other, not even doing anything. Come on. Okay, my mom's getting the hose because there's one thing cats hate most. It's water.
You better get out of here. Go on out of here. Go. Get out of here. Go.
Hello.
My cat's right here.
Yeah, our cat's right here. Sorry.
Huh? I don't know, there's always a black cat around. And yeah, my cat got out, and then the black cat was out, and it belongs to somebody. I don't know who though, but they never fight. They just like have a stare down. But now my cat's just sitting there. Nick, I need to get over here right now. Yeah. Now I know I don't let you out. You're afraid of that.
Come on, look at
You don't get him. He's not afraid of you.
What?
You pick him up. He's not afraid of you.
Oh gosh, the sun's in my eyes. Oh. What? Was that black cat trying to get you? What?
Is that black cat gone?
Oh, I don't see him. I think he might have ran over.
He's not like in the bush or anything, right?
If he is, then I'm getting out. You pick him up.
Come here. What are you doing? Get over here, bud. Get over here.
Guys, pretty much I missed the big fight. Come on.
Where's that black cat? I think he's gone. You better get home. Hey.
I think he senses.
The cat's still there.
Well, I see some sort of blackness behind the bushes. You know why? It's a black cat that always attacks all cats. Because black cats are a sign of bad luck. And I got something in my shoe. It's all good. Let's see here. Can I reach that far? God. Come on, Nikolai. I'm afraid, but since he just had an encounter with the black cat, I'm afraid he's going to bite me. What? By the way, you guys have seen the black cat in one of my previous videos, right? Haven't you? Yeah, because they weren't fighting though. They were both outside. Our cat was inside, and the black cat was outside. So there we go.
I'm gonna have to come back to this.
Here, let me just say one final goodbye to the black cat. Ah. Oh. Yeah, you better go. Alright, I think we're good. He's all shattered inside. My shoes are off, my sweet Nikes. Nike. Did you go outside again or something? Well, there you are. Was that black cat terrorizing you? Like someone else I know, in other words, me. Don't you go walking away from me. I think he's looking for the black cat. Let's see here. Wow. That was epic. Now look at that one. It was actually quite scary. I was never here. Oh, I think he's just eating. He's just sniffing down his food, I think.
you come. You don't have no stare. Yeah, my other cat would have had a fight with him. He used to fight. All right, where's my tree pie?
You're not right. Yeah, yeah, Mishka. I'm so glad you're safe. Anyway. Not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. Bye, guys.